Guys, today we'll see a practical of single gateway, but before that, I want you guys to know what are the port numbers used between these devices. To view or edit logs and a security policy between SMS, right? Sorry, between Smart Console and SMS, it uses TCP port number 18190. Take a note. This is your Smart Console, and this is your SMS. Between Smart Console and SMS, it uses TCP port number 18190. And these are proprietary port numbers, guys. Proprietary means only Checkpoint will use this, not the other vendors. And between SMS and firewall, it will use security policy TCP port number. For security policy deployment, it will use 18191, and for application monitoring TCP 1892, and for logs TCP 257. These all are copyright port numbers of Checkpoint firewall. Okay. Done? Okay, write it quickly. Guys, note down these port numbers used between Smart Console and management server and management server and firewall in between.
So the last one is for log 257.
Correct. Okay. So once you guys have noted this, now we'll start the installation of single gateway. We'll see how to install single gateway on your VMware. But before that, yesterday we discussed about three-tier architecture, features, and many other things. Any confusion, any questions?
No, sir. It was clear.
Okay, then let's see single gateway deployment. What happens in single gateway?
Single device, single OS, and two applications.
Correct. Single machine, single OS. On top of that, we install two different applications, SMS plus firewall. Let's see that. All of you guys downloaded a image. Have you guys downloaded image, guys?
Sir.
Downloaded.
Yes, we downloaded.
Yes.
Sorry, guys, I missed. I had a call.
Yeah, I downloaded.
Okay.
But I did not install, just I downloaded.
So it's okay. I'll show you how to install it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see now. Single gateway deployment. Guys, here I have downloaded I mean, it was downloaded a long back ago. You can see 2020 I had downloaded. See, installation will remain same. Either I install R81 or R80.10 or R8020 or any other versions, process will remain same.
Sir, still we are using R81, right?
It's R81 only. On R81, we have multiple patches like
Okay.
R81 10, 20, 40, 50, like that.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys want to do along with me, you can do. You can start your VMware. Those who have more than 16 GB RAM, start it. Have you downloaded? Okay, start it. So along with me, if you face any issues, I can directly troubleshoot. I can help you out. Okay. Sorry, I started EVNG. No requirement of EVNG. Later, I'll show you. See, later, entire lab will do on EVNG only. But to make you guys understand installation from scratch, it's important to understand without EVNG. So later, we'll do with EVNG. Right now, let's do without EVNG. We'll go to create virtual machine, and here you will select a custom. Okay, and say next, next. I will install operating system later. Say back or select the, if you are selecting this image R81, right? It says it could not detect an operating system. So what we'll do, we'll install operating system, but before that, we'll choose which operating system we have to install with. Okay, we'll go with the Linux. Write it down, guys. Other Linux 2.6x kernel 64-bit. You need a Linux kernel, right? Let me check if I have created document on it. Yeah, checkpoint installation. I have created a document. I'm sharing with you guys. Distributed mode deployment also I have created. Checkpoint theory. Guys, download all this PDF and upload it in your group. Now see here, checkpoint installation. I have shown on ESXi server, but it's same. You can follow the same steps on VMware as well. So start your ESXi, create a new virtual machine. Same process. Here, what did I choose? Custom, create a new virtual machine. Write some name, and I selected where to install. Now here, this is important. Yeah, this page is important. I selected Linux. I selected Linux. On Linux, I selected which operating system as a kernel. Other 2.6x Linux 64-bit. Please note down. If you choose any other operating systems, your installation will not work. So you have to choose the perfect version of a Linux.
I'm not getting this option. Before that, I select.
Please follow the step that I'm doing. You will get all these steps.
No, Windows workstation something. It's coming 7.1x.
Please
Here I need.
select Linux here.
Okay. Oh, mine it's something. No.
It is in
No.
other Linux group and
No. Once we'll go to custom. Okay, then if we'll give next.
See guys, again I'm showing you.
Yeah,
From
yeah, please.
here you
1
start,
minute.
go with custom.
1 minute. I'll log
Say
in into the
next.
analysis.
Guys, mute yourself and see if you get an issue, then only you let me know. Say custom, next. I will install the operating system later and say next. Choose Linux and under the Linux choose this version. All of you. Did you guys get this option? Okay. Online, all of you received? I mean, all of you got this option?
yes, sir.
Yes, Dharmendra. They
Yes, sir.
provide. Okay. Yes. Same option. Now say next. And here you can choose where you want to store your checkpoint firewall. Okay. By default, it will store in your document, inside the document virtual machine. If you are installing any virtual machine, it will install inside a document. Inside a document, you have one folder called as a virtual machine. Here it will be stored. But if you don't want to store here, you want to store somewhere else, then you have to create some path. Let's say here I created one virtual machine folder in E drive, and inside E drive, I want to install it. Then here I'll create one folder called as a checkpoint. Okay. And you see this path, you click here, you get the path, right? Checkpoint. Open this. Now copy this path and go to a browser. Okay. Here, if you are not able to, let me just copy and paste this path. Okay. So you can see I have given this path. It will get installed here. Or else you can browse here. You can go to E drive and you can select a virtual machine. And in a virtual machine, you can select a checkpoint like this. But I have shown you a short way to do the task where you can install it. Say next. At least you will give 2 CPUs minimum. Okay.
Can you please back 1 second? I missed something. I connected in 2.4. Oh, no, yeah. Next. This is 2.6 window. 2.6 64-bit, right?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, where I have to create the folder in? You showed some checkpoint.
No, anywhere you can create.
Okay.
Okay. That's not a problem. You can create anywhere. Or you can go with the default also, whatever it is, simply say next. Say next.
Mhm.
I can write a name here. I can write name here. Checkpoint. CP. Okay. Standalone. I'm writing CP1 name here. And I'll say next. I gave 2 CPUs here. 1 core. Say next. And at least here you guys will give 6 GB. 6 GB RAM minimum. In my case, I have sufficient RAM. I have 64 GB RAM in my laptop. I'm giving 8 GB. But when you guys are installing, give at least 6 GB. What happened in your laptop? Okay, but you can charge, right? Okay, later follow the video and do it. But complete. Say next. Go with the bridge mode, guys. My suggestion, go with bridge mode. Say next, 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 next. Give at least 60 GB storage. Minimum 60 GB storage you have to give. While installing, at least give 60 GB storage. Then say next, next, and say, guys, till this point, all of you are ready till this point? Final wizard, where we click on finish. Don't click on finish. Come till this point, all of you. How many of you have completed till this point?
Sir, maximum disk space.
No, give only 60 GB. Don't give maximum. Okay, give around 60 GB
Okay.
disk size. Done, guys, till here, all of you?
Yes,
Done
I
till
did.
this point. Okay. Now click on this customize a hardware and go to CD DVD and here select ISO image file. Here use ISO image file, right? Browse, go to a location where you have that image file of Checkpoint Firewall. I selected R81. Like this, select the image and you make sure connect at power on is selected. Okay. Like this, select and click on close and say finish. Done. Guys, once more verify. You have 8 GB RAM given, 2 CPUs given, 60 GB hard drive given, and CD DVD location you have given from where you have downloaded. If all good, then click on power on.
If selecting that path, then close, right? Close and finish.
Now, when you click on power on, you see you'll get this option, guys. Install Gaia on this system. Do not install Gaia. Install Gaia on a system listed in SK something something. Select the first option. Click inside, select the first option, install Gaia on this system. Press enter. Which deployment we are doing right now? Single gateway. It means we'll install both applications on single operating system. What are we installing right now? No, right now what we are installing? We are installing Gaia. What I told, installation will happen in two phases. First, we'll make ready Gaia. And once Gaia is ready, then we'll take a GUI access of Gaia. And then we'll install application through GUI. Okay. See, in this process, you'll understand everything. You'll understand what is Gaia, what is application that I'm talking about. Everything you'll understand. Just keep following these steps. Online, those who are doing, guys, did you complete all this process? Now see, you'll get this type of option. Welcome, this process will install. Guys, press tab. You will see that red color will keep moving. It's a pink
Bro,
color.
I'm getting one error. Okay, you do not have enough RAM to install. It's coming.
How much RAM do you have in your PC?
16 GB RAM.
Then it should be.
I don't
Rest,
know.
all of you guys got this option, right? Till here? Okay, please wait for a few minutes. Let me start this process. After that, I'll guide you.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Now see, if you press a tab, it will keep moving, and if you press enter, that will get selected. Now here US is already selected. If you know Russian, if you know Spanish, you select that option. Or else click directly on OK and press enter. I know only US. Here it is asking for system requirement and all everything. That is already good. So select OK by pressing tab and press enter. Asking for password. Give any password here. I'll give C capital HECKPOINT. Checkpoint with C capital.
Can provide numbers.
Anything, it's up to you. Now this password is given for which username? See here, what's written here. Read. Choose the password for admin account. The default username will be admin. And for that, we are choosing password here. It's up to you what you choose. Guys, initially put a simple password. Okay. Now select OK, press OK. Are we going to take IP from DHCP? No. We are selecting IP. In my case, I want to give an IP. In my case, I'm giving IP from 105 subnet. In your case, what is your subnet required? You give it. Okay, do one thing. Give any IP, follow me itself. Okay, follow my IP itself. 105. Today I'll guide you guys with everything. How to create loopback, how to make connectivity, I'll do everything. If you follow this video, you can easily set up your EVNG properly. 105.0.0. Let me give IP as a 250. Press tab, it will come to 20 subnet mask, let it be. And gateway, I don't want to give. Guys, if you select like this, space bar, if you select DHCP selected, it means it will receive IP from DHCP, but I don't want DHCP. So again, keep pressing tab. Again, uncheck it by pressing space bar. I don't want DHCP to select. So put your IP addresses like this. Gateway currently not required. If you want, you can put it. By default, it 254, let it be. And press enter. Next, it says, are you sure you want to continue? Press tab, go with OK and press enter. Okay, installation started. So right now it is preparing to install which operating system, guys? See here, what is written?
Gaia.
Package installation, this process is starting. Okay, who was having issue?
Myself, Rajek.
Yeah, Rasika. Could you share your screen once? I'll give a
I
permission.
connected in different system and then I'll disconnect here and then I log in that system. Okay.
So in other system also you're getting same error.
No. Actually, I can while installing, no, I couldn't go back. I log in into the office laptop for this session and then installing in my personal laptop.
Okay. So
I'll
try in
connect.
your personal laptop once.
Yeah. I'll log in personal laptop. 2 minutes.
No. First of all, try in your personal laptop. I believe it will work.
No, just I log in for this class in office laptop and then I'm trying in personal laptop only because I cannot install in office laptop.
Okay.
Zoom, I log in this one.
Where can I download checkpoint images?
Yesterday I had given a link, right?
Sir, I am not in the group.
You're not in a WhatsApp group?
No, sir.
Something happened. Try. I'll go with your recording. Maybe I can install.
No,
Maybe if
no
you have
worries.
some any issues.
No worries.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Then send me hi to join the WhatsApp. Every links, every documents are shared in a group itself. I told multiple times.
Sir, your number, sir.
Okay, I'm texting 888 444 9014. Text me hi.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
RDP is not working, sir.
Yeah, currently setups are happening. That's why RDP is not working.
When will it up, sir?
Sorry?
When will the RDP be up?
See, now all are going on holidays. Okay, so you can expect RDP available after Diwali only.
Okay, sir, sure.
For 10 days, I'm not sure. Okay, if they keep on, they make my servers up, at least you guys can access my server. I'll give you my pod access where you guys can do some practicals. We'll see.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, what they did is they started too many servers.
So one more thing, like he told us, Shiva Sai, something whom you told to, he told me I am traveling, so I updates were going on. Someone set it down or updated. I think after some time it already takes update.
No, after that also it worked. I had checked, but main problem was yesterday they started 3, 4 servers at third floor new building. So overloaded. Don't call me, guys. Directly send me hi. Guys, read here what is written. Checkpoint firewall, checkpoint software, blades. I have shared a link in a group again to download Checkpoint Firewall.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is next? I shared in the
Complete.
chat.
Yeah. Okay, from here say okay.
Uh,
Then it
disk,
will
si-
ask you for password.
disk size is let it be there.
Let it, don't make any changes. Simply press tab and click on OK.
Okay.
Guys, phase 1 installation completed. And after that, it is asking for reboot. Press enter. It will reboot. Now what got installed? Gaya. See guys, all of you have to understand how to work with your system, how to manage your adapter, right? How to make a connectivity, all those things you need to understand properly. You guys are networking guys, and at least this much you should know how to manage your connectivity. See, two things are there. One is to make a connectivity with your internet to your EVNG or your VMware. One is if, let's say, for example, if you need an internet connectivity to your VMware, then everywhere you have to go and connect, and everywhere you might have different subnet. Guys, understand? Right now I'm connected to NH. In NH, I have 198 subnet. If I go at home I have 172 subnet. You go somewhere, there you'll have some other subnet. You connect with your mobile adapter, you'll get some other subnet. So every time you can't change the IP address of your PC, right? Let's say your EVNG, if you want a fixed IP, then you have to do some other task. You have to manage in some other way. Okay. So what I have done here is I have created Microsoft Loopback Adapter. It's a virtual adapter. You see Microsoft Loopback Adapter, Microsoft Test Loopback Adapter. This loopback adapter, I have assigned multiple subnet 105, 150, 172, whatever I want, multiple subnets, I have already assigned here. So whenever I need any subnet to work with, I basically ping with this adapter. And at my Wi-Fi adapter or physical adapter, I don't care whatever IP I receive. So I have connected my EVNG or any other devices, any other labs that I want to do, I have connected with my loopback adapter. You understood? So if you want to do same way, then follow these steps. I'm showing you the step. Right now, my checkpoint Gaya is ready. This Gaya neither has a firewall, neither a SMS. This is nothing. This is just only a Gaya. Here, if I ping, if I ping 105.0.0.250, you see I got a reachability. It is giving me TTL value as a 64. It means I am pinging checkpoint machine. Checkpoint is a Linux based and Linux TTL value is 64. So if you are pinging or if you are reaching any Linux based device, you are getting a TTL value as a 64. That's a confirmation. Guys, all of you, do you want to see how to create loopback adapter and all? Do you have loopback adapter? Are you able to ping from 105 subnet? Okay, do one thing. Follow these steps. Go to search option and find device manager. Open device manager. In a device manager, select a network adapter. Inside a network adapter, now go to action. In action, go for add a legacy hardware. First of all, select a network adapter, then go to action and then go to add legacy hardware. Here say next and say search. Let the first option be selected and say next. And here select network adapter. Press N, it will select network adapter. You'll get stability to your lab. So no matter wherever you travel, whatever Wi-Fi IP is, I won't care about it because for EVNG, for other labs, I'll be using separate adapter itself. Okay. Network adapter, say next. And here in a list, it will show you. Guys, here you have to select a Microsoft. Press M, it will show you Microsoft. In a Microsoft, drag down. And at the down, you see Microsoft KM test loopback adapter. Say next. And say next, it will install it. I already have, so I don't want. Installed everyone. After installing under the network adapter, here you will see somewhere Microsoft KM loopback adapter. See, is it showing? Okay. Now go to your run and open the Microsoft adapter. Open the adapter ncpa.cpl. Use this command. Make a habit of using this command. ncpa.cpl. Open this adapter. In this adapter, do you see anywhere Microsoft loopback adapter? Open that adapter. Go to properties and go to properties. Go to properties, go to IPv4. Okay, add your IP 105. Add your IP. Guys, if you want one more IP, another IP, another IP to add multiple IPs, then you can go to advanced and here you can click on add. You can add whatever IPs you want, whatever subnet IP. So here you can see I have already added 105 subnet. 105 subnet I have already added. Please add like this. Right now you don't have any IPs pre-configured, right? So directly add 105.0.0.5 with subnet mask 24. Guys, do not add gateway. Don't add gateway. If you'll add a gateway, what will happen? It will disturb your internet. Only one gateway will be for one PC. So don't configure gateway, only configure IP. All of you done? If this Microsoft loopback adapter, if you have done with the configuration, if you have configured IP, online guys, have you completed this? Is anyone following this loopback adapter online?
Sir, I'm stuck in the installation. I will do later while watching the video.
Okay, now you have to come to edit in a VMware, come to edit, go to virtual machine, and here you will see change settings. Click on change settings. Say yes. Guys, here, do you see VMnet 0? Do you see VMnet 0? If you don't see VMnet 0, it means your VMware is having issue. In any case, if you see your VMware is not working properly, check your VMnet 0. If you have an issue, then you can click on restore default. If you see VMnet 0, then it's fine. No need to reset. Click on this bridge mode and select loopback adapter here, Microsoft loopback adapter. Select a bridge to Microsoft loopback adapter. Select a list here and then click on apply and say OK. Done. Once it is done, now go to command prompt and ping your checkpoint Gaya. Ping 105.0.0.254 ping. Sorry, 250. In my case, it's 250 ping. Are you able to ping? Is it working for you guys?
So we have to use 254. Sir.
What IP you configured on a checkpoint?
I taken 250, sir.
Then ping 250 only. I have also pinged 250 only. Pinging? Online guys, are you done? Are you able to ping Gaya? Is it working for you?
That loopback adapter he is using, that he's not able to know how to. He missed out.
Help him, na? Online, anyone doing? Are you able to ping? Rajesh, are you able to ping? Sri Hari?
Sir, installation is going on. I'm little
Oh,
back.
okay. After installation, if you are able to ping, then go to a browser and say https://105.0.0.0, sorry, 0.0.250. Like this, you should get a GUI access.
Okay.
Okay, we'll take 2 minutes, sorry, 2-3 minutes break, and then we'll start again. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now see, benefit of using loopback adapter. Now let's say on your VMware, you have EVNG, right? EVNG. Power on EVNG. On EVNG, you have given some IP address, right? And that IP every time, are you changing IP every time whenever you are going from one location to other location?
Statically,
If I have a static, I have defined it statically. When you have a dynamic IP, sometimes you lose configuration, sometimes you lose topology, different issues keeps coming. So I always keep a static IP here. And in EVNG, if I put a static IP, everywhere I'll not get the same subnet. I'll get a different subnet. Now here, in EVNG, no, I know. Here, what's an IP given for my EVNG? 172. And for checkpoint, I'm using 105. And again, I'll install another machine, again another IP, again another IP, different subnets you need. In such cases, instead of working with your Wi-Fi adapter or your physical adapter, right? Simply go to this loopback adapter. You don't have to connect also. You see, in a Wi-Fi environment, you have to connect to Wi-Fi, right? In a wired connection, you have to connect a wire, right? But with loopback, you don't have to connect also. It is automatically connected. And here you configure IP in this way. Whichever subnet you want to configure or you want to connect with, just keep adding that subnet IP. Don't add gateway. So 11 IP, keep adding from that subnet. That's it. See, like that, in advance, I have added how many IPs? 172, 105, 150, different subnets I added. So one adapter, locally, it can help me to connect with multiple subnets, right? So at a time, I can work with EVNG as well. EVNG also working, Gaia also working. I can make all connectivities. So this is good. Keep learning all technologies. In this class, I will need where I need a real internet. I have to change adapter. I'll show you that time. How would you switch adapter? How to work with different adapter? But personally, my suggestion, when you guys are not working with internet and you want to do all the labs on your EVNG, connect with loopback adapter. That is best.
So in that loopback adapter only, we need to add the additional IP range, right?
Correct. There only you have to add. Guys, till this point done, all of you got the checkpoint access. Log in here with admin and password whatever you had given while installing. Now see R81 for the first time checkpoint configuration and platform is VMware detected. We are doing it on a VMware workstation, right? That's why it detected platform as a VMware. So next. Continue with R81 configuration. Say next. Now we have currently configured each one interface where manually we have given this IP. Do you agree on this? If yes, then say next. What host name you want to give? I want to give CP1. Anything.
Sir, can we change the IP from here?
Yes, you can change the IP.
Okay.
But again, well, after applying, you have to re-browse it again.
Okay. Okay.
Next. Wait. Here I'll give CP1. I'll say next. Guys, it has by default taken time zone Asia Kolkata. Done. Say next. Guys, this is very important. See what is written here, security gateway and security management. Security gateway is firewall, security management is SMS. Correct. Pay attention once again, guys. Security gateway is nothing but your firewall and security management is your SMS. Say next. Now see how many products do we have here? Pay attention here. How many products do we have here? 2 products. So what I told you, first what we did, we installed Gaia and we got a GUI access of Gaia. Correct. And through Gaia itself, now it is giving you option to install these 2 products. I named it as application just to make you understand. So how many products can I install here? 2. If I am going for a single gateway deployment, I'll make sure both are selected. If I go for only distributed, then I'll select only one. I'll distribute, right? I'm going with single gateway. Say next. And use a Gaia administrator admin. This is what I want to use by default. Say next. And through which IP you want to manage your SMS. My base PC, my PC IP was 105. If you want to access Gaia only with this IP, then select it like this. Later, if you want to change, then give any IP. Say next. Finish. Say yes. Now see guys, all installations are happening now. No, no, go with any IP. Huh? Say next, 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 finish. Okay, yes. This is called single gateway deployment. Now I'll take you back to yesterday's document that I had explained. Now see here guys. Yesterday, what did I tell you? Single gateway deployment means we have one OS. So first of all, we installed one OS that was Gaia. Then we took GUI access of Gaia and then we installed 2 applications on that, on top of that. Is this clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I give you a task to install distributed deployment, can you do? You can do, right? You just have to select one application and install. You'll create two machines, two Gaia you will install. In one Gaia, you'll install gateway, another you'll install SMS. That's it. That is distributed. Two different IPs you should give. Okay, two different IPs. So in distributed, how many Gaia GUI you will get? In distributed, you will get two Gaia. Distributed means you should have two machines. First, you have to install two Gaia. After installing two Gaias, on one Gaia you'll select only gateway. Gateway means firewall. On another, you will select only SMS and finish it. Now that becomes two machines, two different IPs you have to configure. So you have to say HTTPS to two IPs. So two Gaia will open. That is called distributed deployment. Can you guys finish till this? Distributed deployment. Here you can give IP 105.0.0.251, and here you can give like how much you give right now for one. Same you have to give another also. Don't give 8, give 6. That will work. Now understanding why I told 20 GB it will take around. Because two systems, if it will run, two Gaia, if it runs, then 12 GB gone for just two Gaia. On EVNG, if I run one PC, if I run one router, switch, then that will also consume, right? 12 GB taken by two devices only. Your PC also needs 3-4 GB RAM, right? 16 GB gone. Now see, it is in a second last phase. Let this installation complete. Guys, out of three-tier architecture, two things we installed, right? Firewall and SMS installed. Now, what is required? Smart console. Write it down. Same version of Gaia and same version of Smart console is required. I mean, compatibility, if you see, same version of a smart console and same version of Gaia is required always. You can't have different version or a higher version or lower version. So just note it down. Compatibility should be same version of a smart console and Gaia. Let this installation complete, guys. See, as much as you allocate CPU and RAM, right, that much performance you will get. Okay, I just completed. Perfect. Restarted. Perfect. Now log in with username and the password. Those who have already completed. Okay. Wait for me as well. I'm little slow than you. Your system worked higher. What configuration do you have? System configuration. How much GB RAM did you give?
8 GB only.
8 GB only. i7 which generation?
8 generation.
The RAM also given 8 GB.
Ryzen 3.
Okay, correct. I have i7 sixth generation. I purchased 8 years ago.
So you were talking about which system RAM or what given
System I'm talking.
16.
DDR4 or DDR5?
4. Yeah.
When did you buy your laptop?
2 years back.
Then it would be DDR4 only.
It is second laptop and I can buy this one doctor. Doctor is good. It's a second hand laptop. Second hand.
It's okay. Thing is working, right? That's it.
So that process depend on processor, how much given or RAM.
Both CPU and RAM both depends. See, in a backend, this is how it will restart. In a backend, it will show you the restart like this. Okay, now system is about to come up. Initially, it takes time, but every time it won't take. First time when you install it, right? First time reboot and all will take time. Now, can you guys do distributed deployment? One application on one Gaia online?
Sorry, is it through EVNG?
No, don't do
Same.
through EVNG first of all.
Okay.
Later EVNG, I'll make you understand. Do on VMware only. What I did today, do same way.
Okay.
If not, then leave it, no problem. But if you can, then do it. Okay, system has started, guys. I got back my Gaia. I log in here with the username admin and password checkpoint 123. Sorry, checkpoint. It's with C capital I had given. Now, after logging here, you'll realize Gaia has certain limitations. You guys can see here. Guys, do you see option of manage and download blades using Smart Console? This option, why are you getting? Because we installed SMS also. Okay, when you guys will install distributed deployment, right? Then you check there. In a firewall Gaya, you will not see download option. But in SMS Gaya, you will see download option of Smart Console. Okay, download here, everyone. Click on download.
One question. It comes with it. It doesn't require internet to download
No, this is inbuilt inside your application itself.
because it have internet connection.
Not required. See, download is started. It is getting downloaded from that machine. Now see here, difference between Gaia and Smart Console. When you install Gaia, Smart Console, then only you can operate all these blades. Right now, you can see these blades, but you can't operate it. You can't edit. And here you see network management, interface, IP address, route, and all these things only you can configure under the Gaia. Understood? Are you able to understand now three-tier architecture? Now, once this gets downloaded, this will take some time. File is of, okay, it is downloaded now, I guess. Smart Console, 440 MB. Run setup file. Say yes. You guys downloaded? Okay, I have R81 already. I can directly open Smart Console. Installed. Say next, next, next.
So same path.
Don't change any path, anything. Just say next, next, next. Once you open a Smart Console, guys, understand, you have to keep some patience. When you are starting your device, right, it takes little time to start services of SMS. It will take little time to start services. So sometimes when you try logging with correct username and the password, checkpoint, C capital, you try to log, huh? Sorry, oh, sorry, dot. Wait, it will fail connecting. Dot 250. Invalid username and the password. Password checkpoint. Connecting to server. It will connect See, right now, what does it show? Unable to connect server. Reason, you understand. Reason is services are not yet started. Always type a password and then copy paste. That's the best thing you can do. 10 times you don't have to type, and there won't be any doubt in a mind that you have wrongly typed. Same interface, same IP you'll use to log in or to connect with Smart Console as well. So it takes little time. Understand all this process. On EVNG, I'll share image. I'll share image for EVNG. Okay. In EVNG, your phase one installation is already completed. Gaia is already installed. So you have to get into CLI, check what is IP, change the IP, right? Those things you can do. I'll share the CLI commands with you guys, okay? These are CLI commands. If you want to check interfaces, show interfaces. Show interfaces all particular interface. We have configured this IP to E0 interface, ETH0. If you want to configure IP through CLI, configure it this way. So everything is given. Do whatever you can. Use CLI command, use GUI, connect Smart Console. Be familiar with all this stuff. Admin and checkpoint. Are you able to log in? Still installing? Okay. Download completed. It will not connect until the services are up. Ajesh, did you install a Smart Console?
Yes, sir. Still unable to connect.
Showing same error?
Yes, same only.
Hmm. See, if your system is slow, it will take little time. This is very good to work with ESXi and all. Any virtualization platform, if you have, there it is good. Worked. Okay. So for one of our student, it worked. He is able to log in with a Smart Console. For me, still. So this is called three-tier architecture. Okay. Smart Console, SMS, and firewall. Three things. This is the reason why generally I don't do on PC. Proceed. Say I got connected. So this way you guys will be connecting and we see 3-tier architecture. Guys, all of you understood, right? Online guys, am I clear with 3-tier architecture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My system is little slow. It might take little time to connect. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'll wind up now. I'll see you guys after holidays. Wish you a happy Diwali, guys. See you guys. Take care.
Can you please upload these
Yeah.
recorded sessions? Maybe
Yeah, I'll
we'll
upload.
go through.
Yeah, I'll upload.
Go
Yeah.
through and then we'll install this.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.